The top 5 greatest aircraft innovations. Number 5. Winglets. These small extensions on wingtips reduce drag, improving aerodynamics and fuel efficiency, becoming a standard feature on modern aircraft. Number 4. Glass cockpit. The shift from analog dials to digital displays improved cockpit management, giving pilots clearer, real-time data for safer and more efficient flights. Number 3. Composite materials. Strong yet lightweight materials like carbon fiber made aircraft more fuel efficient and durable. Number 2. Fly-by-wire systems. Replaced traditional mechanical controls with electronic systems, enhancing safety and precision while reducing pilot workload. Number 1. Jet engines. Revolutionized air travel by enabling faster, long-distance flights, drastically cutting travel times and expanding global aviation.